Hi everyone, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine.
When we purchased our home, I was fascinated with the window above the door. Thought it was beautiful and it added that grandeur to the foyer. Well, there is a downside to having that window, guys. This is not a complaint, just letting you know that you have to look at the other side of the coin. And yeah, the walls are fading, the floors are fading, and the furniture is fading. I reached out to the manufacturer of the couch and they had one recommendation. It wasn't that it was going to restore the color, but that it would condition the leather. I think it looks a little bit richer, but that's just my opinion. Well, I didn't want to do shutters. I didn't want to do blinds because I'd have to get up there and dust and maintain those a whole lot more. Then window tinting. That's easy to maintain and you don't have to climb up that high on the ladder. You can use the wand to dust the area. So I reached out to a company to come in and apply a tint to the window. Now, this is not a sponsored video and I am not an affiliate with any tint, shading, or tinting company. I'm simply sharing my experience and the things that can help you best manage your home or take care of the things inside of it. So let's not get technical. The higher the percentage, the more sunlight will come through the window. So let me give you the instructions on how to do this. This is from the professional. First, you thoroughly clean the window. Remove all debris, dust, cobwebs, whatever's there, get rid of it. Make sure the window is thoroughly clean. And then spray the window with water. Next, you want to apply your tint. Apply it directly to the window, lining it up. That water will help you move it around. And then use your squeegee to push the tint in place firmly once you're sure where it's going to be permanently. Then take your sharp edge razor and trim away the edges. Then squeegee it one more time. Make sure it's not going to slide and make sure that it is exactly where you want it. And you're done. There are several types of tints out there, so use wisdom. You decide what your needs are. Do you want privacy? Do you want heat control? Do you want blackout? And you can find these tints in adhesive, non-adhesive, or they can be applied like with the water. For instance, that's what we're doing here in our home. But you want to just consider what your options are based upon the location of your house also. One of our neighbors' homes sits right at the entrance of the subdivision. So if you come in, you turn left or right, and his house is right there. He has the mirrored tint on his front doors, and on 2 occasions his mailbox has been knocked down at night, and we figured out that it's because of that mirrored tint on his front door that you really can't see. They're blinded for a few seconds when they're making that left or right turn, and they're cutting it too close to his mailbox. Now this guy was so amazing from Tint Pro. He did an amazing job. He applied the 15%. We both had agreed on that before he got started, and he had the cut done outside, came back in and installed the 15%. And I changed my mind after he did it. So same instructions as before. He's gone outside, gotten a replacement tent, brought it back inside. He's already cleaned the window, sprayed it down with water once again, applying the new tint, and then securing it in place with a squeegee, getting out all those water bubbles, air bubbles from underneath it, and then trimming the edges up with a sharp edge. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a big difference in that 10%. When I was doing my research, I found that the majority of these tints have an ultraviolet protection at a minimal 80% and then up to 99%. They wouldn't say quite 100%. But I was very happy to know that the service from Tint Pro would offer a 100% warranty, meaning if there was something that happened, no matter when, that they would come out and replace the tint. This offered ultraviolet protection up to 95%, and I was okay with that. Now I'm very happy that I don't have to worry about the fading of the furniture for now, and also that the lights aren't so blinding when we come out of our bedroom into the living room in the morning, and anyone that arrived for breakfast or just to hang out with us early in the morning isn't blinded in the living room because of the brightness of the light coming from this window. And we believe that the house is a whole lot cooler since we had this tint installed. So back to the beginning. This is the 15% tint, and this is the 5% tint, the final choice. Now, they were going to double the price for the front door, so I think I can take care of those two myself.
Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, please consider doing so today by pressing that red button, and also press the bell so you will be notified when I have uploaded the very next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay safe, stay in prayer, and as always, stay creative. Have a wonderful day.